This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Burke. Stunning traditional two-story home located in the prime neighborhood of Pine Ridge. Welcome home to your oversized lot, beautifully set in the back of the neighborhood with so much privacy. Home has a traditional floor plan of living room, formal dining room, chandelier does not convey, huge kitchen with new appliances, oversized den. All rooms are a great size and located upstairs. The lot is almost a double-sized lot, so there is tons of room for summer activities. Come see this home now. Roof is approximately 2010, HVAC is 2016, windows are newer. For more information, review the details below or contact Burke at 757-403-0911.